This is Southerly's Pass, and this cast went 100 plus yards from here to there. Let me show you how. Stick around. But before we continue, if you want to be elite all year round, you want to catch flounder, reds, specks, everything. If you want to take your fishing game to an elite level, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notifications. Follow my Facebook page or Instagram, Beach Bomber Fishing, for some of the crispiest fishing content out here.
This is a big one.
This cast is called the Easy Cast, but it's also known as the Off the Ground Cast. I learned this cast a long time ago from the casting legend himself, John Holland. The Easy Cast is exactly that. An easy cast that gets extreme casting distances. In my opinion, this is one of the best, and if not the best cast one can do from shore. Now, the Redfish Run is going to take place in a month, and I will be doing a lot more surf fishing videos to help you land more fish and achieve a greater casting distances. So please subscribe. If you don't, I'm going to sue you. Alright, let's start out with some major tips and gear that will help you get some distance before the technique. These are the reels that I'm going to be using.